Testosterone-increasing foods. Tuna is a great source of vitamin D, which is important for testosterone production. Oysters are high in zinc, a mineral that has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Eggs are a great source of protein, and the cholesterol in eggs has been shown to help increase testosterone levels. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are high in magnesium, which has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to increase testosterone levels in men. Pomegranates are high in antioxidants, which can help protect testosterone molecules from damage. Thanks for watching.